Forget paying $20, $50, or $100 each month for expensive AI subscriptions to create movies. Google just released Google Flow to solve one of the biggest problems of the creators to create movies for almost free. In this beginner guide, you'll be going from absolute zero to rendering photorealistic movie scene with 100% consistent character, custom camera movements, and native AI audio. We are breaking this to 3 simple steps. First, mastering Google Prompts Engine and camera controls. Second, locking in character consistency using Google's secret weapon. And third, editing the final result in inbuilt Google Flow's editor. Without further ado, let's jump straight in. Okay, the first step is go ahead and search for Google Labs. And then click on Google Flow in here. And then go ahead and click on New Project. Okay, here's the interface of Google Flow. Like 99% of users, you might going down here to enter your prompt. Like a cowboy walking desert. Do not do that. Generic prompts give you plastic, unacceptable, and glitchy AI video every single time. To get Hollywood quality, you'll need to mention 5 different factors in your prompt: subject, action, lens, lighting, and style. Now watch the difference. Instead of entering cowboy in desert, we go ahead and enter this prompt and hit enter. Okay, now look at the result. That's insane. We got 4 different images with different angles, and you can use the one you're interested in. And here's the key point. In this step, 99% of AI creators give up. Imagine you created a beautiful, acceptable, high-resolution video clip with Google Flow, and then when trying to create the number 2, the character keeps changing every single time. But the good news is Google completely fixed this issue. Okay, to do that, you can go ahead in here and click on characters in the left menu. And then in here, add from project. And we have 5 different images in down here. You can go ahead and select the favorite one. For example, I like this one. And add to character. In this page, you'll be able to select a voice for your character. But the first step is go ahead and change the name of the character. For example, the name should be Steve. And then if there is any changes you want to do on this image, you can go ahead and simply enter your prompt down here and describe your character acts in this box. And after that, you can go ahead and simply click on done. And as you can see, here is the new character with the name of Steve. And we can use it in tons of video we're going to create in the future. Okay, now let's move on to create a new project using the same character we just made together. All right, now go ahead and click on New Project in here. Okay, after that, in this page, you can go ahead and click on the settings right here. And then you will be able to change the settings of the result, video, or image. In here, you can choose Nano Banana 2 and Pro and 2 Light. And then I'll leave it as is. And then the aspect ratio of the video and the image. So we'll not change anything. All right, the next step is to go down here in the prompt box and copy and paste the same prompt you have already optimized. And the most important thing in this step is to tag the character you've already created. So to do that, go ahead and type @ and then choose the date in here to July 21st, the date you've created the character, and just choose and select the character you've already created before, and then add to prompt. All right, and then we've tagged the character we'd like to create a video out of. And then go ahead and simply press enter or click on that button here. As you can see, it is thinking and reading the prompt. All right, in this window, the agent is asking for the approval, and then you can go ahead and click on approve. As you can see, okay, as you can see, our video is started to be created. Good. Okay, as you can see, our video has been created and the character remained the same. So simply by clicking on that, we'll be able to watch the video. Let's watch together. As you can see, the result is really professional, and sound effects are beautiful, and they are really synced together and matching the same video. And now in this part, we can go ahead and describe your edits if there is any, and then you can go ahead and edit the video in the same storyline in here. You can go ahead and add or remove clips when you are trying to create a coherent video with the same character. As I told you, you'll be able to tag the character and, creating the next scenes. And the final result gonna be a perfect, 1 or 2 minutes video with absolute $0. And then you are able to add or remove the video clips down here in the storyline and download the final result in a second. Also, as you notice in this clip, the details, the hairstyle, the hat, the clothes are remaining exactly the same with the character we've made. So we are able to create lots of videos with the same character with no issue. That simple feature turns chaotic AI clips into real, coherent stories. Also, the key point is to mention the sound effects and the sounds you'll like to be included in your video in the prompt in here. So the final result is going to be extremely beautiful. All right, the final step is to go ahead and export and download the final result. To do that, go ahead and click on the 3 dots in the top right corner in here, and then click on download and 720 original size. And as you can see, it is downloaded in my downloads folder. So it is that much easy to create such beautiful, eye-catching, professional, non-glitchy video clips for almost $0 with Google Flow. I've put the same 5-star optimized prompt in the comments below, and then you'll be able to copy and paste the same thing into your Google Flow to have the same result. Or copy the same format to create your own videos and with your own characters. If you enjoyed these kind of videos, if you would like to learn how to use AI for free, tips and tricks of new technology, please don't forget to subscribe our channel and like this video to support us. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon.